Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Faith here. I woke up out of my bed because I heard these goat noises. So I decided to go for a walk up the hill into the bushes to investigate. This is a typical Jamaican morning in nature, seeing wonderful things, God's creation. Look at the sunshine. Do you hear the goat noises? I'm just heading towards the goat noises. This is what happens when you are in the country. You're woken up by the peeny-wallies, as well as the goats and the roosters. Isn't that wonderful? So I'm just going up the hill now. I'm trying not to fall down. And this reminds me of my childhood growing up in Jamaica, in Lioneltown, Rocky Point. And I think I see the culprit. I think there he is. This is the little baby goat that has been making noises all morning. Do you see him? There he is right there. That's the little mister that has been making noises all morning. It's just so wonderful to be in nature and to be able to feel the dirt under your feet and to witness God's creation. Look at that beautiful goat right there. This is the little culprit that has woken me up out of my bed. I'm not complaining, guys. I'm just happy to be here. I am really happy to be here. There he is. Some beautiful banana plants. Do you hear the nature? Do you hear the birds? Do you hear all the little critters? And here we are back to the goat. Anyways, I just wanted to come up and do my little investigation. This is just so heartwarming. And this is just so beautiful to be here and to be part of this. Look, he's stretching. He's stretching. I smell goat. Okay, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Oh, he's doing yoga. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.